Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check trending sounds on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to check trending sounds on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. And in order to proceed from over here guys, we'll be first required to go to the reel creation section of Instagram. To do that guys, let's tap on the plus button at the bottom middle of the screen and we'll be on this interface. After that guys, let's tap on the camera for a demo purpose. And over here guys, when we land on this, there is the audio option available for us. Tap on that audio guys, and you will be on this page guys where you can see currently featured audios available for us, which are in a sense trending for us or in a place, and you can use these which are the trending. And some of these you can see music has 4.3 million reels over it, which means that it's a trending sound, and according to the views you can see which are trending or not. And this way you will be able to check the trending sounds on Instagram from their views and the feature section from Instagram. And there guys, this is how to check trending sounds on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.